I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to log in on Instagram. For that, first of all, open up your Instagram app on your phone. After you open up your app, there you can see that you can log in with phone number, username or email, or you can continue with your Facebook. For now, I'm going to log in with my username. Now you'll have to enter your password. After you're done, tap on login. A pop-up message will appear on your screen. Tap on save password to save the password to use with apps and website. If not, tap on not now. This way you can easily log in on Instagram. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button, and if you have something to say, please leave a comment.